just finished what she closed them, just hang them out.
So we're gonna work, you know, so sitting there. You look happy though. You like it here though, differently.
Alright, where you go eat?
But some things in the kitchen, man, just look about something. You know what I mean? Just anything you want, just if you see no cabbage on there, cut up the cabbage. You know what I mean? And steam them some. One bread round and wheat bread is supposed to run them by last and come in. They just some 2 pieces must be there, so can make one sandwich.
So the oil finish?
Where is that?
The oil finish.
Where is that?
The oil finish.
Look if there's no butter in the man. Butter must in there.
Alright. Alright, no, butter.
No, she found butter to the man. She found.
Oh! No, it finished too. Shit, man. It's alright.
Come tell me.
You know, so the butter finished, like we have to go do some shopping, man.
Let me say no, no worry yourself, man. I go up and shop and come back. You know what I mean? You can boil a little tea.
Alright then, but I still have no do, you know. Jangan make fashion. Wait, fantastic. Alright.
Where's the oil over there?
You know, say I some bleach in the middle of some use, because you know, say.
That's enough.
Yeah, it's not white. It come like butter too, you know. Some just use it and fry it up.
How much you going near me? Yeah.
It smells good.
Now, where you come from with this blow? Yeah. You go up in the kitchen. Come and understand. Oh, you use Claro. Or you call Claro White or whatever. Bleaching fried egg.
It's something like butter, baby, can work.
No, it's not. Don't have a store, right? What may I say now?
You see, I'm waste my energy, I know that's what the thing I'm preparing.
I fear do I know, but listen, are you going to eat the egg? You know? So what me you're my banner from the kitchen. Because boy you use that cannot cook. Who get the idea there?
Right now, you agree with me, because you just waste my time and prepare the thing and you throw it away. So, part me did live, my ex no make me do nothing. He prepare everything for me. Even though rub the bleaching for my body, I him rub my back. So, I don't really do nothing. Understand? So, this just piss me off right now. I come out.
Wait, me I say now. Don't get me not get upset, you know, but more I understand. So when they come, then tell me say I can wash, cook and clean. And for you come and me a wash. And we hang out the clothes then. Yeah. For now, me feel say you could actually cook then. So if you put car white in a fried egg, I don't want to talk more like that again. No, I do. Just toast the bread. Toast piece of bread for me, I drink some tea. You know, it's the egg. What me tell you do with the egg now? Because you don't have to fry it. Because butter comes still. If you really want it to butter, I just fry this here. But hear me say now, boil the egg then. Just put a pot of water and boil it. You know what I mean? And then you can eat it. Boil egg and eat it with something. But nobody fry no mind. You can't understand it. This is now just toast it. So one next frying pan there. Toast the bread for me. More better I will relax. You know what I mean? But don't toast your car, man.
Okay, sir.
You better toast with your son tea. That's what I'm going to work.
Alright.
No, my pan the kitchen.
I never pay attention, man, to that.
Come.
Man, you can't make me mess up again.
Come on.
God.
Come on, the kitchen. Look. Call the fire truck. Now, watch out. Gotcha. Abon yours, eh? The first day they are like about you abon yours. You have to go learn to cook in our running. Only way you go work, you go learn to cook. You see me show you how to wash and make it hang out the clothes them, you have to learn to cook. Go up on the internet, how do I learn how to cook? Okay, Google, how do I learn how to cook? They will tell. See the box in there. Okay, Google.
Hang on while I get connected to Wi-Fi.
Alright, just talk to Google. Google, come show you something. Come here. You see this here? You see that box here? It can. Okay, Google. Okay, Google.
Hang on while I get connected to Wi-Fi.
Anytime it's connected to the Wi-Fi, I'll put on the Wi-Fi panel. You ask it anything in our world. Okay, Google.
Hang on while I get connected to Wi-Fi.
Me not know Wi-Fi now, but me I tell you.
So we can ask how to cook too?
That to tell you how to cook. Because you're not doing a good job.
You never tell me before.
What is them trying to do them thing here? Because first them say can wash, cook and clean. But now, me have to go cook and clean and you wash instead of wash. I'm not sure word. I like I get up and move out of the place and go up and down this morning because I tell you say today, you know, say I want some food because there for me now to cook. And yes, I get up and I cook enough food that means say, see all 1 week I not cook. Or till I find one woman can come cook for me. Thing good, man.
What do you mean by say me not cook? You always cook your own food and it make me need your own dumpling.
But I told you that you need to start learning to cook. But first thing first, before we start there, you tell me say you can wash, cook and clean. And you watch me and me cook and clean instead of wash, cook and. But everything good enough. Today's the final day.
What do you mean by final? What you want to say? I end this. So me if you just give my good and you just go to the jail so try know that I did before this and that's all me have to tell you.
So check me. So you're good. What about my long and strong? You never done nothing. You don't give me something again nothing. So that's why you against me now. So you me take look like that. Me tight here. More obligation.
No man, when man find
When-
so you stay.
When I get the police to move you out here today, you tell me say, I did before this and I catch. I tried my phone for record you said to me a while ago.
You better tap in eyes and hurry up and cook your food. Because you cook the best soup, you know. Hurry up and make me soup. I'm going to lie down till you're done. But, me what? I'll take me out of this today and you can't take me out of this.
Where's that one on us?
Yo, what can I tell me say the brownie we are giving? A war lad.
Me can't know that. Me only tell her she can wash, cook and clean, that's all.
Oh, you know she can wash, cook and clean. First she come here, she know wash, cook and clean all now. She watch me and me wash, cook and clean. Me have to do everything I had right now. And on top of that, a station every day we have to war. And she has to eat because she eat no food. When you cook the food, so she's stronger than me. On top of that.
How much lie I tell, man?
So right now, we just cook some food and she over there lay down in the bed. And that's my shout to them.
Nobody dash her out. All the day get somebody put her out. Me remember if you tell her say it's a war lad. Me say she beat her man till all the man can't walk. A wheelchair the man in her. You're lucky, so just give thanks to life.
And where she come from, me I kick her and send her back straight to there. Right now. You hear about it? Me soon forward.
You're going to change now. Remember, I better you come back here. I want you. All right, Rasta, go on.
Now it's time to start. Come.
What's yours?
Time for you go, man. You think you could untie me? See man there by me here? Time for you go. Can't hold me. Come out, come. Come out of your house, man.
Yo, we say up people me and pass the war and go over here and say, yes, Rasta learning karate. But look how the man done so man.
When I'm thinking about now I got a doctor, go check out. So office the girl give me to you know. I know why you don't cut me. If I fingernail, cut me up so. But I tell her, it's the next time no man find you that. No man find me, I look how man myself.
No, you can't see that man. Me tell you, if you get somebody take her out, you tell me what you're going to learn Kung Fu. So what you going to do now?
Right now, I'm going to call the police. If them can't help me, we have a plan. We have a plan. Hello? You know, calling them yard right now. Because since you dust in your force, you must have carry gun. Yeah. And nobody then have no gun for them now but carry a gun come cousin. Yeah, we have a case here, solved right now.
Because I want to see how you look, so.
I can't even know. You were handcuffed there.
You know, some in a caricature, me need a hurry. You gonna have everything left.
More you lock up the youth, that me want you to lock him up. You get two handcuffs to try to carry.
What you do?
Him give me a sexy brown girl. But the girl, a war lad, you know, tell me that. If she can't cook and she can't wash her them sitting there. But you tell me she can't wash one, but you tell me say, a war lad. Look at the girl, look here.
Honestly, you know, cousin. Me and your cousin, but the honest truth. Me can't help you because I never tell you if you take up you can't manage. I feel your responsibility if you take care of your problem.
Amen. Amen to that.
That's nice for me to tell you. You should have know what you do.
Listen to me. My lawyer talking because you come back out of force fast.
But because me can't believe you really this you call me for. Me I work with the government now, I know. And this you call me for, you know, say anything we have to deal with the government come first. As I say government, so we run come. I government me in. I say a government me I work for.
But tell us, girl, look, this me all and cut me up. What one? Do something. Lock up him. Lock up she. Do something, man. When you still go to school, make a pass the subject, you can go get work in a police station.
Yeah, me appreciate that. But me I say me can't help you. Can't help.
And that answer to me.
But our government pay me, you not pay me. You not pay me.
But when me send to school, man. What about them time them send to school?
Them the days
If it's different, me. Alright.
Yo, you think nobody can do this, sir? Right now, I don't apology for that. Nobody can do this, sir. But Tawan, what are you? What's some way you do a video for me, do?
Yeah.
We are go viral.
Yeah. I want to find the same video where I go viral when me and watch. We are police. Roll up all our youth underneath a bed and him apologize to bro God.
Right now, I not do for me. I not apologize to no police. Right now, you see me serious. I do a video for me.
What you mean, man? Give me your phone now, man.
You ready now?
Ready right now.
Right now, bro, got after curfew, you know. I'm not going. You hear me, I tell you? That me, I tell me, not going. Right now, me there. Serve me there. You understand? You're diary road there, so. You understand? I'm not going. That me, I tell a party, me I go right now. After curfew, me not care me.
So you deal with them? How you mean? Me like how you deal with them a while ago. You see me? Cause badness round the road, you know. We not go nowhere, you see me? For real, me general, me like how you deal, but now I just send it off, you know.
I will post him, never tell the post right now. They might come for me now, man. Give me my phone.
Nobody take no call.
So what's that I want government call? Hello? What you say? Why next to me go out there in this Andrew again? Yo, cuz. In short and tall. Flat or sin. Back up. Yo, one a day. Yeah, me this me there in a white house here.
Ready.
So the sleep inside I'm in the doorway in there.
Look for you. Look for you.
See?
Boy!
Come on!
Get up! Stand up! Wear clothes. Put on the clothes.
No, sorry.
Find the clothes. Let him go. Find the clothes. Fuck! Alright! Alright, turn us. Put that close. You can this bro God? Eh? You think you're bro God size? Boy! Take that for him. That's the police.
Sorry, boss. Sorry.
Come!
Hurry up.
Officer, what you do a brutality? Murder!
Oh, tap a knife.
Let go, man. I won't do. Yo, let go, man. Freedom of speech, officer. I won't go on. Let go, man. I saw on the go on, you know. Freedom of speech.
Why you back picture back over at Porkyard?
Freedom of speech.
Sit down, sir. Be there.
Live up yourself, man.
You know who I am? Boy, you know who I am?
No, boss.
You know what you do? You don't know what you do, don't you? Eh? Looking at the camera. Don't look at me. Looking at the camera.
Looking at the camera.
Boy, looking at the camera. You're Melody. I can't go back at the location when you're in there. I'm making him apologize. I humiliate him. Here?
Yeah.
So since he says you don't want to apologize, so he really go see you. You hear me tell you? You think so when I hear about Officer Red Boat are not normal? Eh? You think I'm not normal when I hear about Officer Red Boat? You don't know about me, don't you? Yeah, where I do, Shaka? Top record. Yeah? I think police business is...
So you don't can't back go, so not true.
You can't go a Chris party when they are going like him a girl. Yo, come on.
Get up. Get up, man. Take police. Big bro got a joke. Okay? Since you don't want to do the station, turn up. Turn up. Where phone? Be there. Say you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
Who you say? More if you say it just like how you did a say it, or you did a disrespect him, more if you say it, apologize to him just like how you did a disrespect him. Look at that camera when you say it too. Say you're sorry.
Bro God, I'm sorry.
Say, I say you did a say it. More energy, man. Me not go in. Me sorry. Me sorry. Come. Say you're sorry. Boy, you think me a laugh video? You think me a laugh? You have video?
Yeah, man, me have video.
Say you're sorry.
Bro God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro God. I'm sorry. I will never do it again.
Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Press up. Press up. Say move. Move. Say move. Move. Jump. Jump. Hey boy, if ever disrespect me God again, kick it. Kick in your butt down. No, let me see you up on the road.
Fire look so stressed, man.
Tell you, look, sir.
I'm virgin that in the man.
You have a fire.
What is that?
You come back.
Yeah, man, don't worry about that. Now come back, man. Just go and rub him down. Yo, me can't be still upon that, man. You have to come over that, man.
Daddy, I know I'm not going to be there, Daddy. I just stay. I wonder what to do next. Because I need a girl out of my house, Daddy.
Yeah. Because you don't understand what you're trying to cook now. What you're trying to know.
When you show me the browning picture and say she can cook and clean, me pay you cash.
Yeah, I mean, appreciate it.
But now, me pay you cash to get her out of my house. Because right now,
Oh, me?
get her out.
Go in there, sir? If I do you so, you want me go in there? After this, a Janko, you're not so brave.
You want money? I'm money, you know. You see that? See?
No, you're talking.
Get out of my house, Daddy.
No, you're talking. You want to know how me are going to make you everything out? Easy and simple. You remember when your cousin come this and she get the card? It's like when bro got call and we go take up anybody off of the road, diss him. They move fast. So here what you're going to do, you're going to prank call your cousin. And talk like a bro and I give me the phone. I'm going to send him in your yard.
You know the number?
I don't know your cousin number, but you have
119 year old.
private.
Or 911. Alright.
So,
119.
You alright, Scotty?
Yeah, man. Redwood Police Station, may I help you? Redwood Police Station, how may I help you?
this is Andrew speaking.
Anju,
Yes, the Prime Minister.
one I clocks them.
Give me phone. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello. Sorry, madam. Sorry, madam, sir. Sorry. Yes, sir.
So, let me ask you guys a question. What did I pay you guys to do?
To protect you, sir. Protect and serve you only, sir.
Tell me some one I clocks him.
No, man. I talk to you, bro. God. Sit down. Sir. Come again, sir. Eh? What's the issue, sir? What's the issue, sir?
Listen, one girl is in the area there at room 68th Street, beating a Rasta man like a tiger. And she sending check to me.
She called the name, sir?
Yeah, she mentioned
That's
my
nothing more,
name.
sir. Sir, that's nothing more, sir. That's nothing more. I'm going down there now, sir. I'm going down there now.
Get her
Right
out
now,
of-
sir.
Listen, get
Come
her
now,
out.
come now.
I don't care where you want to put her. Right, so you see the girl that answered the phone? she need to stop going around and telling people about the government only response for his business. Don't mention my business to people, because the people business is my business. My business is for government business.
And if nothing wrong with them, I don't business.
Listen, I have nothing wrong with them. I don't really business with them. I only business about myself.
Yes, yes, sir. I know you don't care about the people, them, sir. Yes, sir.
And you know, to show you the truth, I care, we care. I care, we care. Chicken back business.
So we need to buy the chicken back, sir?
No, the chicken back is good. We ship them here, they buy them.
Alright, sir. I know you, sir. I know you. I know you, sir. Come. Get up. Come on.
Ivan, officer, Ivan.
Give it. If I ever catch you back in here, I'm going to shoot you. And nothing now come out tight. Yeah? Me not get in no trouble.
Yeah, it's a good thing because bro got cousin this year. I make a link and show bro got call me. See it? My mama couldn't get things.
Anytime.
Yeah, my cousin see me help myself. I'd Virginia have to call bro God forget to make no come. See, but everything good.
Alright, that's that.
Bless up on yourself still. Bro didn't gone out of my life. Want a new girl I know. Wonder if you come get a girl for me. If you get a girl for me, bro God, we get to one differently. One.
I need some beer.
Alright, so bro got some drink shop here. Go get one girl for me. This time I don't want no girl too tall.
Hello? Why you look like that?
You know, say me and my man left. I mean, I know if you go.
Come in our vehicle.
Yo, if me didn't know it's so easy, we do that long time and get out of the place like that.
Anything mentioned in a bro God knew, it's done. Because they worship him like a God.
Alright. Mom miss Brown in big body, but we can't kill it then. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, miss that. You better you glad your life because look at it and you have shut up it up to next year.
What going on, officer? But what do you work fast?
Listen to me now. You say you want a girl. You know how far we gonna get this one? I don't know if she can fight like that one, you know, but you probably can try it, and I don't know if this one is right either. I never hear she talk yet.
She pretty, so you can't. I say she pretty and nice, so you can't.
You don't want her for your cousin-in-law?
Yeah, a nice girl.
Alright, so let her go, no man.
You tell her to do.
Go for the shop up there,
Right? You know,
and tell them to go to some beer. The shop there, give them the 2 beer. So go and drink.
Ice cream.
Because I call bro God. and bro God has said certain things, he's busy up and now he can't get to it, but don't pay for that, that's simple math. Get to behavior, so you want ice cream, get a beer for yourself.
Alright? Best behavior. What you say?
Alright.
What did I say?
Best behavior.
Come again?
Best behavior.
You can count?
Yes, I can.
Count.
1, 2, 3.
Me and bro God not related. I'm a brethren, cousin, far, cousin. Got you, cousin. Got you. Yo, big up on yourself. Celebration, independence. Got you, independence. You know walk. You got on super. You're a nice girl though. You know, me never dream when I get a nice girl. We never a nice girl but she fighty. You know fight?
No, I'm not fight.
Alright, that's just right. So, how them find you?
You know, so I left a man.
You left for a man and they find you? Oh, that's one good idea. Because things happen at the right time for the right reason. So I've been single for a couple minutes a while ago and you come. So, give me a bag and put it down inside. This is everything up there?
Yeah, everything.
Alright. So.
Hold on there. My tablet, I have to go back to it.
Alright, go on feet and come.
Where you go?
I go down a fire yard, it done, it over. I can't do this no more. It done, I can't do it.
No, if you go baby. So
I don't have no way, I already move out and my tablet I come for. I go down there right now.
So me can't let baby, we can't work something out.
I find a better man.
Oh God, they cannot leave me like that, baby.
But that not enough. Anyways, I go down a fire right now.
So where I go baby, just left so. Can't work things out, you know.
Andrew. Yes, boss.
You can't find your 14 spirit.
No, boss. Pay 9 and 14 and 15.
Let me know in them there, but I don't want them there. And 14 you want. You can't find the socket. You can't write it hang on the 14 and the 14 can't come. Come in this spanner.
Yes, boss.
Come in this spanner.
Dirty thief in Andrew.
Come here, call thief.
Who me attack? Let me come out here. Stay there, walk away. Dirty thief in boy Andrew. You walk away when me talk to you. You see from when me give you my vehicle for fix. How much a month now from you give me back? You no put back all of the screw them in there. One thing part them, you're a criminal for a long time. A long time I hear about you, boy. No say no, hey, shut them out. Me want back me things them where you take out of me car. What then there? White son so chuckle and like a some old vehicle.
If you pay your money fully, you wouldn't chuckle.
You're a criminal. You a thief. A long time I hear about you. But you see, sometimes when you hear things, you say, you don't know if it's true. No, me come to prove it. Me come carry me vehicle, come give you.
Yeah, call me thief. Wait.
Boy, dirty Andrew, you a thief. Me not afraid of camera. I will take off me. Look here, boy. Me clothes, you're bright now. Me could thief in, boy. See there, come look. Look funny. You make all of the school them drop out from it, then eat this so. You change me tire. You is a thief. You still a video me? If you know how me not have nothing to do with you, all criminal, you can't go call the police them. Me not afraid of them. Call them. I might have tell you if you go video where sun no shine. Mind me have to send you which part. Look here, boy. Me want me things. Yes, look here, you see police them where you go for? Mind I know, because I don't know up to you know. Me need me parts them.
How we are talking to, girl? How we are talking to?
Come on, you boy, you wear clocks. So when me things them the way you take out of my vehicle, boy, you in a green clocks. Boy, go call the police them. Me not afraid of police. You're all criminal for a long time you're tricky people them. Me not like you. Andrew is a thief. You thief in Andrew, you go suffer. Karma go reach you. You see you make poor people suffer? You rob them and you want to rob me too? Hold on. You have to give me back my things where you keep out of me.
Skipper, remember to me Andrew always have the same name? Watch what they happen to her, you know.
But you know what happened?
What happened?
You know, if you go out with your same thing, I was going to go out with your same thing. See, catch up on you know. You put it, now put it the people in same thing good.
Skipper, you don't understand. You think a piece of money can fix car? Sometimes you want car one look $1,000 come. More than that you have now. So maybe just put in our old school. I old school them pop off, man.
That's why you come to embarrass me right now.
No, I'm not embarrassing, man. You know,
the people I'm saying, see that, you know, talk to you yet, you know.
Listen, it's just like when you fix a phone and you want a man come back, you put something for trigger off in it. After 2 months, it chip out.
But I want to trigger pan.
Scotty, look at one next video. Look at Scotty. One more video come out.
Sir.
You know, say this man is bro got Squaddy.
What should I easy?
How we go feel now?
Kind of lock off the engine. Switch off the engine for me. Switch off the engine. Take your hands off. Switch off the engine. Switch off the engine. Get out of the car. Get out. Come on. Come. You disrespect Andrew. Eh? You disrespect Andrew. You can this, bro, God. Eh? How fear this, Andrew? Eh? Yeah, Andrew size. Explain yourself. Stand up yourself. Stand up.
Officer. Andrew will walk at the garage me talk about him. I wish Andrew you attack.
You think of Andrew you attack? Huh? Listen to me. You have to be careful with the word Andrew, you know. Because as I say,
Officer
Andrew.
Red Boat.
I just say Andrew.
Bro God. So officer, fighting crime is no longer important. As somebody say Andrew, a problem.
Careful with the word Andrew.
Officer, mind me other. And I have no right to put your hand on me.
Listen to me. Carry on. But careful with the word Andrew.
Say one fire of me man and I moving and thing, living.
I mean, fire just left. I mean to see a long time man the girl the man. I was say I go down the door. Now go down there.
But take back your man and let me get back me woman.
You see all them straying and them on them Bibles no work. You have to come and work, do your hours and go work at your yard.
So about the soup them, I tell about the soup. Anytime the soup them come around, the people them run up and down, I wonder why.
Soup. The man they can't, when they say the man they ask if you jump, they just ask how high. You may tell you? Because the man they, them get the orders. As a matter of fact, you just get the order from the soup. Because the man they get the orders from Andrew. Anybody this Andrew, if you lock them up. You could have hear Andrew. You're supposed to reach to feel them. You see me? You don't worry about thief and criminal and this. A waste of time that. We get more money if we go for people with this Andrew. Anybody hear this Andrew one? Carry me in. If you don't have to carry me in, you plan some funny. You see me I say? Anybody, you just want to know say, once you just say Andrew.
And you know say me here say anyhow you win again. Everybody in iPhone I get one clock. I see an iPhone 13, 14, something like that. Fire, you're the best. Fire.
sex. I'm gonna kill him.
Alright, like how we not get no car now, just go on now, man, business. So if we can't wait, let us sleep.
Alright, Hello, this is Ringo Redbrown Police Station. Hello, officer. Hello. How may I help you?
Good evening.
Good evening.
You know, I'm just coming and I'm going to take my money. And please, me ask me if I can come back and give me back my money.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, I will need some information from you. I will need your address and your name, please.
What does that have to do with my money with anything?
Ma'am, I need to know your address so I can come. So tell me your address and your name.
Okay. Negril.
Alright, so Negril Bottom Row. What's your name? I didn't hear you.
Let me talk to her. Hello, Susie?
Hello.
Detective Red Boot here. We don't have any gas in our vehicle.
If I did Andrew, that's fine.
You know, we have special treatment for Andrew. Where he's a king. He's a king.
What is friend? Which king?
He's a bro god.
So about me?
We don't value you.
When I have blood run through your body like I have blood run through your body.
He's a special kind.
You know what?
He's a special kind. He's a bro god.
Yeah, Andrew goes up my big.
This sound enough.
Just tell her to come to this station.
Come on, this is code red. We know if you're friend, yeah.
Shawty, look at man everybody work with that something there now. Because I don't know how it tights up. You Shawty? How are you putting that? A crazy girl putting that? A girl a group. You Shawty? How are you putting that? You good though?
Yeah, man, I just like how you take care of my body.
Babes, who that?
My ex-man.
Yeah, that the mad girl, yeah. My girl, the man don't want you.
Yo, me take a restraint order up on a girl already, you know. Come out of me out. Come out of that. Yo, how would that? Girl, come out. Where? See black? Hey. No, this is serious. Yo, Shawty, give me phone there. Give me phone there.
Hey, babes, call the police. Make you handle this, I swear.
Yo, girl, go put on that something there. Mister, go put it down. Mama, me left, mama, go put it down.
Hello? Red Boots Police Station.
Officer, you know, ex-girlfriend that me had right now, and he have a gun, and he have a knife. To me, I'm moving a new girl in my house, and now she want to kill me because of that.
Verify address for me, no?
Yeah, on the hillside me live, yeah. Third house. You should kick off the door there after up and come down. What you say? No, on the White House, man. Yo, you know, no girl, I take Christian out all about fire attack, you know, man. I just say Christian out that man over there. What mean say you don't know? Yes, I said one man. What time come on here, man, when she beat me up? What?
So you know how much shot is in the gun?
Let me say, what kind of gun? I don't know what kind of gun. I'm going to ask you what kind of gun. I'm going to have bullets in that gun. Let me say, what kind of bullet? Hey, yeah, yo, no, don't jab, you know. When I laugh on station for?
Okay, but I'm sorry we don't have any vehicle now, you know. We don't have any vehicle, no vehicles here.
Oh, you know not what? You know no vehicle. Oh, no, never no vehicle in an emergency yet. Yo.
Alright.
Everything good, me understand. Everything good. Charlie, come here, just turn up at the place. If she kick off the door, turn up there. If she fire one shot, go down low. You hear me say? If she kick the door, you still turn up and go down low if you fire the shot. But you have an idea. Do a video. Can you do the video them Andrew then find a quick? Yeah, Andrew. Me nah go nowhere. You could look at the time. Early time I was mama. Cut him out right now. Dirty boy. Dirty boy. Idiot. This is better. You can slow there now. You slow there. Right there. Yo.
My girl, go on here, yeah. The man don't want you. What do you want? Go on here, yeah.
Yo. Look what going on social media. Somebody this broken again.
Send to phone on.
Yo. I'm sharing.
Yes, Red Bull Police Station. Say what? Call Andrew. I'm coming. Call Andrew name. Yeah? You can't call my boss name. Yeah? Who's the Andrew? Who's the Andrew? Sir. Who's the Andrew? Who's the Andrew? Yo, put it on.
Yo, officer.
You're under arrest for the illegal use of the word Andrew and for dissing Brogan.
So yo, hear me answer now? Yeah, daddy. Yo, me call now while ago. And me call and tell them say my girlfriend ex-woman out at the door, you know. Yo, police, and me just call now while ago, you know. Only say no driver and no down there, you know. The forward, you know. And me tell you my ex-girlfriend out at the door with gun and kick off the door, you know. So if I wash it there, best not pass her with the gun and everything. So I kill her when she kill me then. Yes man, and me just call now while ago, general. You understand me? I say, so if me never say Andrew name, uno come and make she get wet. You know what I mean? This have to go up on CVM. And JBC,
sir,
and TVJ.
I'm unable to tell you that from the said word Andrew. It's my duty to find you anywhere he is, anywhere you are, and lock you up. I don't care about no gunman, no gunwoman, or nothing else. Just the word Andrew. Don't you dare use that word again.
Alright, tell Andrew, sorry boss. Tell Mr. Andrew, your boss said, I apologize for using name, but I only way to save my life because when you now come, if you hear a gunman there, but as me say Andrew, before me could answer all next, you kick off the door next. Everything good.
Jesus, please, but the man not easy, man. Watch what the man of this Andrew, man. Listen, slippers.
Oh, mama.
Come here, man. Look how the man of this Andrew. Yo, this is one case for you now, you know, boss. You go win, you know.
Yeah,
man, and this Andrew big time, man. Yo, my son, I mash up the case now, you know, boss. You feel this now, you know, hold on, bunny.
I go down. I go look see my friend, but I go down there now.
Yeah, man.
Right, big case. Do this. Right about the film, Shaka, baby. I go down there, so go drink 2 beer and go on a split.
Alright.
$1,000. You thief $1,000 out of the bank, man. I don't like them sitting there, man. If you come at $1,000. I set me up, you know. Set me up. I go down there, sir. Go on a spliff and drink 2 beer. Alright? Don't let him out of your eyesight, you know.
Yeah, man.
You me tell you? Yeah. Don't let him out. Because Red Bull Police Station is no joke thing. We are not too much eat.
Sure.
Sit down. Tell me your name.
John Brown.
Right.
Officer. You know, see you look nice though. Yeah, man, and I'm more than $1,000 my teeth, you know. Yeah, man, I'm more than $1,000. So you see, if you let me go, I can go find all the rest of money and carry on give you.
So how you know, say, they don't go find out and lock up it away?
You can just make up one story and tell them, say, I get me get way. Just tell them, say, you're gonna use the bathroom and left me and me get way.
That don't sound bad still. Alright, hurry up and go on. So when Red Bull come now, make you know, say you get way. Quadred. The prisoner get way now. Hurry up and come and get way.
You know the brother who did up on the video and bro where of course me I want a lawyer, you see me need to get the case, me have to get the case. Because I road that's where him come from. Which part him there? Which part he live?
The brown youth. My bleach for him about 10.
Me don't know how long him bleach for. Team brown do man.
And him can't read now right now, him done.
Sound like he done.
How him do?
Make a video man and diss up the Prime Minister so he might have to go in a court now and he won't need a lawyer.
Over the same.
Yeah man, alright, thank you. Hello? Morning sir.
Morning, sir.
My name Lawyer Slippers. Are you the brother with the on the video?
Yeah, man.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Ricky Brooks.
So you know, say, right now I'm here your savior. Because I come to come help you. You know, say, no matter they are court and them sitting there, I'm going to need a lawyer my boss to defend. But where the phone with the video then?
You know, say, don't mess up on the road.
Alright, we're going to deal with it, man. We're going to sort out all of this. Come on, we're going to deal with it. Alright, sir. We're going to go down to the station and go find out what really are going. Where there?
You know, say, I'm going to use the background, I come back, I don't see me in gateway.
We're under pressure, you know.
But I fear fall. Because you know, say, I just come in there first and you left me boy, you going to drink rum. And you know, say, I don't understand about it.
Why? $1,000 is thief. Make it time. You know, I run him down for $1,000. Really thief $100 million now. But I probably run him down. I run a boy for $1,000. Not even taxi me and stuff.
Right, me I say $1,000 they carry me. And when there's $1,000, I feel say $100, you know.
But $1,000 is really $100 in Jamaica. You can't go shop with $1,000. By the time I go to spend by one juice, it done.
Not even can buy lunch.
Anybody give me $1,000, I tell them if we go give offering with that.
Hey Redwood, now go over so I take a look at sleep in man, because I never sleep last night.
You sleep in your yard, man. Sleep in your yard.
Just 5 minutes, man. Just 5 minutes. For anything, you wake me up. Anything, wake me up.
Just make me do the talk, here. Morning, officer.
Well, just step up in that place now. How are you?
My name is Lawyer Slippers. I'm going to bring my client here because no violate him rights. When we done with all on the down here, we build house out on. I understand it's a big case. I don't want to afraid and nervous. You see how them operate down here like it's a patty shop.
This is the police station, man. I think this is the courthouse. Eh? You can't come down. You have your work to do, and we have mine. And him disrespect Andrew, and it's my duty to bring him to justice.
What is this?
I want to go in this squaddy.
Now this little boy got him big brother say I'm a lawyer. Come in here trying to disrespect me and my job. Eh?
You make a big mistake because I record everything what you say. Make sure I take them regulation number and maybe note it. If hold on or lose no castle today. You, Mr. Red Boot, sorry, come on.
Sad mistake. You think of them run things? And we run things. Make him go and exalt himself.